Well, I guess we got a big one here. Yep. What do you guys think? Yep. This is a mini pounder right there. Big one. There you go. Let's